Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you on your eyes protection mode setting in your Vivo phone. So guys, let's see guys how to on eyes protection. But before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, let's say first of all guys, open your phone setting to on guys eyes protection. Then guys, scroll it and guys click on display and brightness setting. So guys, click here. So a third one guys, you can see eyes protection. So as you can see this right side option guys, you will have to click. So eyes protection will on, and after on guys, you can see guys screen color will change like cream color. So guys, because of guys eyes protection, so guys when you use phone at night, so guys you should on this eyes protection. Then guys, it is good for our eyes guys. And guys, when you study in your phone, like when you read book in your phone by Google Chrome, like, so guys you should on this eyes protection. Then guys you should study. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching.